Welcome back to Torchwood Cooks. It's been a long winter. Your grill's showing it. It's time for some spring maintenance. What we need to do today is take off the felt liner. It's been through the wars. It's falling apart, not giving a good seal. Let's do it. Best way to take it off is using the common putty knife. Now you get underneath the seal and you just dig it off. Have to work a little bit sometimes, but it comes right off. Now once we've got the old felt liner off, it's time to clean. But we don't want to use soap or a degreaser. It's going to interfere with the bonding for the new felt liner. So instead, we use some rubbing alcohol and a rag. Scrub the surface to get all the old adhesive off. You want a nice, clean bed to set the new liner on. It'll take a little time, but hey, after all, some good barbecue, it's all worth it. Hey, once you got it all cleaned, now apply the new gasket. Move slowly along the edge, correcting as you go to keep it in a circle. And before long, it'll be all ready and you can start cooking again. This has been Torchwood Cooks. Have a great day.